Hey everyone! Want to upgrade your car's key to a futuristic smart LCD key? Today, we're looking at the CF920 Modified Universal Remote Display Smart Key, a next-gen keyless entry system that works with Audi, BMW, Ford, Mazda, Toyota, KIA, and more. Massive discount alert! Get it now for just $47.33. That's 63% off from its original price of $128.05. Click the link in the description to grab yours before the deal disappears. Let's check out what makes this smart key an absolute must-have. Luxury Audi-style design. Get that premium Audi key look with a sleek, futuristic LCD display. HD Anti-Glare LCD Screen. Stay updated with clear, crisp visuals in any lighting condition. Keyless entry and auto-lock. Say goodbye to old-school keys. Lock/unlock your car effortlessly with a fully touch-enabled display. Window control and lift function. Some models even support remote window locking and lifting. OBD installation in just 15 minutes. No complex wiring needed. Just plug in the OBD module and you're good to go. Ultra-long standby time. 100 days on standby, 200 days in comfortable mode, 365 days on logistics button mode. Anti-lost function. Fill in your owner information to help recover your key if it gets misplaced. Available in black and silver. Choose a color that matches your style. What's in the box? Inside your package, you'll find 1X Smart LCD Key, 1X OBD Installation Kit, 1X Instruction Manual. Everything you need to upgrade your driving experience instantly. Why choose this smart key? Modern and stylish upgrade. Get rid of bulky, outdated keys and switch to a sleek, tech-packed alternative. Universal compatibility. Works with Audi, BMW, Ford, Mazda, Toyota, KIA, and any car with push-to-start ignition. Not compatible with manual keyhole ignition systems. Quick and easy installation. No need for complicated modifications. Just plug in the OBD module and enjoy. Best price on the market. At just $47.33, this is the best deal for a high-tech, feature-packed LCD smart key. Final thoughts. The CF920 Smart LCD Key is more than just a key. It's a luxury upgrade for your car. Whether you want high-tech convenience, security, or just a sleek new look, this smart key is the perfect addition. Click the link in the description to grab yours now at 63% off. What do you think about this smart key? Would you upgrade your car with it? Let me know in the comments. Like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe for more awesome car gadgets, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a deal. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.